day of judgment. Into that final judgment. But listen, in life there are days of judgment. It comes from time to time. But he says, herein is our love made perfect. You look at Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. What's giving you liver? Herein is our love made perfect. He stood before Pilate unruffled. Pilate says, no one that has any power but the one that I give to him. That's what he said. You know, of course, he says, all power goes from my Father, but he already told us, he says, if you've seen me, you've seen the Father. So if he's referring to the Father, he's also referring to himself. You know, you are unmoved. Herein is our love made perfect. He said, as he is. So look at the next verse. There is no fear in love. Oh, say it. There's no fear in love. Say it. Are you in love? Live in him, you live in love. You live in God, and love lives in you. It says, there is no fear in love. No fear in love. Say, Pastor, it's not that I'm afraid. My heart is just doing not to fear. You're training your heart not to fear. There is no fear in love. There's perfect love casted out, hating on his love. That love, that understanding of his love will cast out all fear. It will cast out all fear. I believe in the perfect love that person has towards you. If you really know that someone loves you, so that love gives you confidence. Please, who understands that? It gives you confidence. Do you know how much? Or I'm going to let your enemies deal with you. David said, please, sir, can you just... He said, I know that your anger is not for always. I know that you love me. Not with my enemy. Don't. But I can trust you with my life. Perfect love casts out fear. Then it says something about fear. It says, because fear had torment. Fear had torment. Fear doesn't come empty. Fear comes with chuku chuku.